I've been roll out of line like I don't read the signs. I'm so done with the lies, that's why I ain't got no time. 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 I ain't got no. Boy ain't looking at the clock. Stepped up in the game like rock. Ball boy with the hook, can't stop. Like the dread on my head, stay locked. Look, always no island. Stay fly, no pilot. All beef, no diet. Real G, stay silent. I'm all for the mission to pray for the attention, because the best of us come with complacency issues. And then the chosen and high cause replacing on picking the tissues. They thinking and crying and laughing and ain't for the miss you. I've been up like all night, working on the crab cause the sucker don't ball right. Then we about to swing cause we ain't about to fall. I'm living on my knees cause I know it ain't all I. Oh my God, never gonna stop. Think I'm finna go and change my legal name to Pops. Y'all a bunch of birds, I ain't even gotta fly. Looking for the beat, find a light up in the track. See it at the top, praise be the try. I ain't need to try, glory to God. Millie with the rock, Jordan with the hops. Catch me at the Grove, 10:30 on the dot, boy.
What's up everybody, Brian with the Soco Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and let YouTube know that this is cool. Alright guys, we have answered the age-old question. As soon as Ford said that they were going to make a Baja Runner truck with 35s underneath it from the factory, we all wondered what it took to fit 37s, so we're about to tell you. Alright guys, a 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor. So as you know, these definitely come from the factory with 35-inch tires underneath them. But we ended up swapping those out with 37s because we went up 4.5 inches on the rough country kit. So this does come with the cross member drops, as well as some spacers for the bottom, so it retains the very capable factory suspension system. And you can see the same thing out back here. Brings the stance nice and level, as you can see right there. Might be sitting a little low as we do have the tires loaded in back. These wheels are a 20x9. They are the Black Rhino Primm. These wheels do actually come in a bead lock, but this is just the street locks right here. And then we did a 37-12-50. These are the Cooper STT Pros. So it's a positive 12 on the wheels, and brings the wheel out just a little bit from factory. Factory does have a tiny bit of tuck, or it does remain flush with those fender flares. And with the 20 on the 37, you are about at the factory sidewall proportions. So from the factory, it comes with a 17x9 with the 35-12-50 tire. So yeah, the 37 is just about perfect. Definitely has a great profile. Doesn't look like too much wheel for this thing to be the off-road beast that it is. And I definitely love these factory side steps that they're putting on the Raptors as well. Alright guys, Brian with Soco Customs signing off. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and I need to go warm up my hands.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no. Boy ain't looking at the clock. Stepped up in the game like rock. Ball boy with the hook, can't stop. Like the dread on my head, stay locked. Look, always no island. Stay fly, no pilot. All beef, no diet. Real G, stay